Manscaped's got a new bundle that'll get you feeling fresh in no time.
If I see a loofah or washcloth this summer, we're gonna have problems. It's body buffer season.
Woo! Starting off with the Manscaped Body Buffer, baby.
It's made from silicone, which is naturally antibacterial. So you can rest assured you're not gonna be cleaning yourself with dirt.
It helps create more lather without harsh and painful scrubbing.
I'm pressing that pretty hard. It's not too aggressive.
It's wild, bro. I switched over to the Body Buffer, and I absolutely love it.
The Body Buffer gives you more bang for your buck by activating your body cleanser with its bristles so that your money doesn't go straight down the drain.
But what's this scrubber without some actual body wash?
Buff Bundle, baby.
The Buff Bundle comes with the Body Buffer, and not one.
2 body washes which are infused with aloe vera and sea salt.
Manscaped's body wash is all I've used for the last couple of years.
It smells fantastic.
I smell like a successful first date right now.
It's cruelty-free, dye-free, vegan, etc. So it's good stuff.
Nourish, clean, and exfoliate your skin.
Come on.
What are you waiting for? The Buff Bundle is waiting for you.
It smells good. It's gonna feel good. You're gonna look good. You can't beat it, guys.
Go to manscaped.com, the top brand for all your grooming tools and hygiene solutions.